Yes, good morning, good afternoon. It's your boy, Sotam City. So today I'm gonna show you to do a tutorial. So it's about YouTube. So I'm gonna show you 3 shortcuts that you can do on YouTube. Okay. So first of all, you have to go on YouTube, and so we're gonna go on YouTube. My favorite website, so Sotam City YouTube mobile video. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna press that, so hold on. I want to expand. Okay, so now we are with the video. So the 3 shortcut you gonna do, you can type on L on your keyboard. So L, you go fast forward, so you go fast forward, and you type on J, the letter J on your keyboard, it's go back. And the least but not less, the third one is on K. You push on the button K, it stop, and you push on again, it start. See? So very interesting. You have 3 main shortcut. Okay, good. So I'm gonna fast forward L, and I stop K, and I'm gonna listen to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna unmute, and now I press on K button to start. City, the technician. Good. So be well, stay safe, and subscribe. Peace out. Okay, so I stop now. See, it's very good. So yes, hi there. Oh, I stop again. So thank you for tuning in. Hope it was helpful, my basic tutorial for all your YouTuber who enjoy. So it was the 3 shortcut, the letter K, the letter J, and the letter L on your laptop or on your PC. You just type those shortcuts on your keyboard. All right, thank you so much. And by the way, if you don't know yet, my name is Sotam City. Sotam City, it stands for Sotam the Cool Technician. And have a wonderful Khmer New Year. It's gonna be on April. So peace out, and like they say in Khmer, Susday Shtam Tmei, everyone. Have a good one. Peace out. See you on the next one. I'm signing out.
Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more.
Even though I know you may hate me, I can't go. I'm scared to go away. I need you home. No pure love left, just hearts that break into karma's levy. Weighs me down tonight, just like I'm drowning. Can't get it right, I see love, but mine's never shining through. No one's gonna love you like I do. I watch and play, wishing I could feel that thrill. Oh my dear,